All right, what's up everybody? Let's do an assembly video for the generic lowering foot pegs. I'll show you how these go on the bike. There's just a couple of little things to pay attention to that'll make the install a lot easier. These pegs swoop backwards. So this is the right side, this is the left side of the bike. And then same thing, this is going to go on to face up. So the peg that's missing the stud here is the right side of the bike, and this is the left side. Here's the hardware that they come with. I'm going to open one of these up and just grab that peg. Let's get started with the right side. Just grab that. I'm just going to get it started. I'm basically just going to set it in there like that. Then I'm going to grab the spring. These also have a left and a right. This, if you look, if I install that stopper is going to be real high up. If you grab the other one, it faces the other direction. And that stopper is going to be towards the back of the bike. So that's this side. So you're just going to stick that in there because that pin slides through the spring. If you can see right there. Get that all lined up. Make sure that you haven't pushed that pin in too far and it's keeping you from getting the spring in there. All right, and now I'm just going to take a screwdriver and push that spring in. Okay, just like that, through the spring, and then I usually just take a rubber mallet and tap that in, and then kind of look at the back, make sure that you get the hole lined up, and then push that pin the rest of the way through. Just like that. Then grab one of your cotter pins. Put that on the back side, then take some needle nose and just curl that up so it can't fall out. This is your hardware for attaching it to the bike. And you're just going to stick it on the bike and screw this on, and that's it. And you basically assemble the other side the same way. All right, and then once you've got both sides assembled, it'll look like this, and you just bolt that on the bike. Take the old pegs out, slide these in, and bolt those in place, and that's it. Appreciate your purchase. Ride or die.